Back then, soldiers had to rely on pure instinct when entering buildings, never knowing what was waiting inside. Now they've got eyes in the sky guiding every move in real time. Tiny drones can scout streets, rooftops, and enemy positions within seconds. Welcome to the new era of drone-powered urban warfare and modern combat tactics. Check out this tiny drone. It slips through shattered windows, flies room to room, and maps enemy positions before the assault team even steps inside. In modern urban warfare, these drones act like flying eyes, giving soldiers real-time intel from every corner of the building. With live drone footage, the assault team knows exactly where to move, where to place explosives, and which rooms are the most dangerous. Every second counts during close quarters combat, and that information can save lives. Watch the speed, coordination, and precision as the team breaches the entrance, clears each hallway, and secures the first floor within moments of contact.
Yeah. Well, the top line position. Yeah. That way.
Give me another gun there! Hello!
What do you want me?
The biggest challenge is coordination. Drones give field commanders a full global view, cutting down the risk of friendly fire. With real-time intel and constant aerial surveillance, troops can move faster, react smarter, and stay one step ahead during intense combat operations on the battlefield. Drones aren't just extra gear anymore. They're basically part of the team now. What do you think about how fast this tech is growing? With real-time scouting, precise navigation, and automatic coordination, drones help troops move faster, safer, and gain a tactical edge on the modern battlefield.